Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we would like to share a wonderful Chinese recipe, sweet bean sauce. It has a lot use in Chinese food. We also provide some examples of use for this sauce to you. Hope you like it. Step 1. Add main ingredients. Firstly, add 300 ml water into the bowl. Then add 1½ tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoons flour into the bowl. If you like more salty taste, you can add some salt into the bowl on the basis of your taste. Stir them enough. We must stir the mixture to the condition that don't have any particle when we see it. If you can do that, use the strainer to help you to do this. We can also use the spoon to crush the particle to mix. Step 2. Make sweet bean sauce. Pour the mixture into the pan. Then start to heat the pan with the soft fire. Cook and stir it without stop. After about 5 minutes, we will see the sauce thick enough. That means the sauce done. You can compare the condition with us in the video to judge if it is thick enough. Pour the sauce into the container. We should stir it a few times because the skin of the sauce will become dry. After it was cold enough, seal it to store in the refrigerator. Step 3. Use sauce. Sweetened bean sauce can be used for dipping green Chinese onion, cucumber, roast duck like the Peking Duck. We can also use it to add great taste for other Chinese food you like. For example, we add a sauce to make the delicious noodles. Firstly, prepare some fine minced cilantro and green onion. Save them for later. Add the noodles into the boiled water to cook. When it becomes well cooked, drain and place it on the plate. Add the cilantro and green onion, sweet bean sauce into the noodles. Stir it and then add some cold oil to increase the flavor for the noodles. This is just an easy way to use the sauce. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, please let me know. If you didn't subscribe us before, just subscribe us. See you in the next recipe. Bye.